Why do you like Art K?
I like Art K because all my friends are there and we get to do loads of different types of paintings. I like doing everything at Art K. The most fun thing is using the watercolors and seeing what color your water turns. It makes me really happy when I do art. The art leaders are really kind, and if you can't do something, they show you and help you.
We all encourage each other and are really positive about each other's work. When you come to Art K and you open the door, they have a big smile on their face.